We'll see the next problem. The following data is given for a V-belt connecting 20 kilowatt motor pulley to a compressor. The center distance between the pulleys is 1 meter. Cross section of belt is trapezoidal with parallel sides being 12 mm and 22 mm respectively, and the depth is 14 mm. The density of the composite belt is 0.97 gram per cc, and the absolute tension per belt is 850 newtons. Determine the number of belts required for this process. So they have given the data here. Pitch diameter of motor pulley is 300 and for compressor pulley is 900 mm. Speed is given in rpm. So this is motor pulley, this is driver pulley, and this is driven. So the diameter of driver pulley is small and driven is large, and coefficient of friction is same for both the pulleys. We shall write the data. Power given is 20 kilowatt. So diameter of smaller pulley is small d, 300 mm. Diameter of larger pulley 900 mm. Speed of smaller pulley 1440 rpm. Speed of larger pulley 480 rpm. Coefficient of friction is same for both. So here in this problem they have not given the angle, the groove angle or V angle they have not given, so we cannot find mu dash. So we shall consider the given coefficient of friction itself as mu dash, because to solve the problems we need mu dash. So we shall consider the given coefficient of friction as mu dash. Here they have given the cross section of belt. The center distance between pulleys is 1 meter. So capital C is 1 meter, and cross section of belt with parallel sides being 12 mm and 22 mm. 12 mm. So this is one side, and another side we shall call it as B1. It will be 22 mm, and the depth is 14 mm. So they have given the depth as 14 mm. Depth we shall call it as H. 14 mm. So if this is the cross section of V belt, this is B1, this is B, and this is H. The distance of parallel sides is B and B1, and this is the H. So this is a cross section of trapezium V belt. The density is given by 0.97 gram per cc. So by converting this value to kg per meter cube, it will become 970 kg per meter cube. And the allowable tension per belt is 850 Newton. So they have given the allowable tension as 850 Newton, that is T1. We shall consider as T1, 850 Newtons. Determine the number of belts required. So they are asking us to find the number of belts. So number of belts is N dash. So we shall find the velocity and wrap angles before proceeding to find the number of belts. So velocity pi dn by 60. So here we are going to find the velocity of smaller pulley, because smaller pulley is the driver pulley, motor pulley is the driver pulley. So n s, and small d is diameter of smaller pulley. Pi d is 0.3, n is 1440, divided by 60. So the value of velocity is given by so the velocity is given by 22.62 meter per second. Next we shall find the area. Area given by area of trapezium is half base half h into a plus b. H is the parallel distance between the parallel sides, and a plus b is parallel sides. This is a, this is b. So half h into b plus b1. So this is the area of trapezium. So the area of trapezium is given by 238 mm square. Area of trapezium is given by 238 mm square. Next we shall find the angle of contact. We shall find the angle of contact on smaller pulley. Theta smaller is equal to, we shall take this formula, 14.1a, page number 289. Equation 14.1a, page number 289. So the value of theta s is given by 2.54 radians. The value of theta s is given by 2.54 radians. So now we can proceed to find the number of belts they have given. In question they have not given the groove angle. So I said that we can consider the given coefficient of friction as the apparent coefficient of friction, or we can do or we can assume the groove angle as alpha is equal to 40 degree. So we can assume the given angle as 40 degree, and we can find the value of apparent coefficient of friction. So this formula they are given in page number 294, equation 14.12. They have given mu1 is equal to mu divided by sin alpha by 2. So this is the apparent coefficient of friction. We shall write equation 14.12, page number 294. Here I have assumed the groove angle alpha is 40 degree, and I am going to find the apparent coefficient of friction. So the apparent coefficient of friction is found to be 0.584. Mu dash is equal to 0.584. Now we can easily find the value of number of builds by using the formula power P is equal to n dash a v by 1000. So this is equation 14.16a, page number 295. So here we will have some doubt. Here they have given e power mu 1 theta. So they have given the value as mu 1 and theta. In question we have found out the theta for smaller angle. So there is theta for larger angle also. From data and book, if we look at the data and book, we will have the angle for larger pulley also. Theta L is equal to pi plus d minus d by c. So in this case we need to consider design based on smaller pulley, because since the value of the coefficient of friction for both the pulleys is same, we need to proceed with the design based on smaller pulley, that is theta s. If they had given the value of coefficient of friction as different values for both the pulleys, then we need to take the product of mu theta and we need to check. So we need to proceed as per the design for the smaller value. Here they have given the same values, so no need to check anything. We shall proceed with design based on smaller pulley. So power in question they have given as 20 kilowatt. N dash is the number of pulleys we have to find. Area is 238 and V is 22.62 divided by 1000 into since they have not given the allowable stress, we can find the value of allowable stress by using sigma is equal to tension by area. So tension they have given in the question as 850 newtons. So we can write the tension 850 by area. Area we have found out 238. So this becomes Newton per mm square or MPa. No problem with the units. Here for W it will be rho into G, and G will cancel and we will remain with rho. The value of rho is 970 into velocity is 22.62 divided by 10 power 6 into e power mu 1 theta. E power mu 1 theta. Mu dash we have found out 0.584 into theta is 22. Theta is 2.54 radians. 2.54 radians minus 1 divided by e power mu theta. So by simplifying this formula we will get as n dash or number of belts as 1.56. So we shall approximate for 2. So here they are used as 2 belts. N dash is 1.56 or 2. So there are 2 belts. So this is what they have asked in this problem.